In this video, I'll show you how to copy a trader on Etoro. Start by signing into your Etoro account. Next, click Discover in the left sidebar, then select CopyTrader. After that, browse the list of available investors or use the filters to search by market, return, risk score, location, or investment strategy. Now click on a trader's profile to review their performance, portfolio, risk score, trading history, and statistics before making your decision. Next, if you're satisfied with the trader, click the Copy button on their profile. After that, enter the amount of money you want to allocate to copying the trader. Make sure it meets Etoro's minimum investment requirement. Now choose whether to enable Copy Open Trades if you want to copy the trader's currently open positions, or leave it disabled to copy only future trades. Next, review your settings and click Copy to confirm. After that, Etoro will automatically begin copying the trader's eligible trades in proportion to the amount you've invested. Finally, monitor your copied investment from the Portfolio section, where you can pause, add funds, or stop copying the trader whenever you want. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to copy a trader on Etoro. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.